Car jump starters provide quick battery recovery, prevent roadside delays, and offer reliable emergency power when your vehicle won't start. Today's video is about top 5 best car jump starters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jaeber Auto Car Battery Jump Starter. The Jaeber Auto YA90 12-in-1 Jump Starter is more than just a battery booster, it's a complete roadside emergency kit. With an impressive 8,000 A peak current, it can jumpstart 12V vehicles, including large gas engines and up to 14.0L diesel engines, even in extreme temperatures. Its built-in 160 psi cordless tire inflator delivers up to 45 liters per minute airflow and features a smart display, preset pressure, and automatic shutoff for convenient inflation. The YA90 also supports 65W fast charging, 160W DC output, and multiple USB outputs for powering phones, tablets, and other devices. For emergencies, its 800 lumen LED light offers flashlight, strobe, red warning, and SOS modes. Safety is another highlight, with more than 10 protection systems and included 400V insulated gloves. With a retractable handle and carrying case, this versatile device is ideal for road trips, daily driving, and unexpected roadside emergencies. Now our second product is SVezo Car Battery Jumper Starter. The SVezo A11 Jump Starter is a powerful and practical roadside companion designed to handle unexpected battery emergencies. With 5,000 A peak current, it can instantly start 12V vehicles with engines up to 10.0L gas and 7.0L diesel, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, ATVs, and more. One full charge can provide up to 50 jump starts. Beyond emergency starting, the A11 works as a portable 80.66 Wh power bank, featuring two 5V/3A USB ports for charging smartphones, tablets, cameras, earbuds, and other devices. Its 500 lumen LED flashlight offers continuous, strobe, and SOS modes for nighttime emergencies. The upgraded LCD display makes monitoring battery and device status simple, while 10 safety protections help guard against reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharging, overheating, and more. With durable metal clamps, a carrying case, USB cable, charger, and strong after-sales support, the A11 is a reliable choice for everyday drivers and long road trips. Our third product is Anflight Car Battery Jump Starter. The AG10 8000A Jump Starter is a powerful all-in-one emergency tool designed for drivers, RV owners, campers, and heavy-duty vehicles. Its massive 8,000 A peak current can jumpstart 12V vehicles with up to 14.0L diesel engines, while the forced start mode is designed to help revive completely dead batteries. What makes the AG10 stand out is its combination of a 160 psi tire inflator and an impressive 165 liters per minute high-volume blower. The inflator features 5 preset modes, real-time pressure monitoring, and automatic shutoff, while the blower can quickly inflate or deflate large items such as kayaks and air mattresses. The large 5.5-inch smart display clearly shows battery level, tire pressure, and operating modes. It also doubles as a 59.2 Wh power bank with dual USB charging and includes an 800 lumen emergency LED light with 4 modes. With rugged construction, 10+ safety protections, a 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical support, the AG10 is a versatile and reliable roadside emergency companion. Now number 4, Joltekin Car Battery Jump Starter. The 8-in-1 car battery jump starter is a versatile emergency kit designed to provide roadside assistance whenever you need it. With a powerful 4500 A peak current and forced start function, it can help start completely dead or low-voltage 12V batteries in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more. Its built-in 150 psi air compressor features 5 inflation modes, automatic shutoff, multiple pressure units, and 4 nozzles, making tire inflation quick and convenient. The device also works as a portable USB-C power bank for charging phones, tablets, and cameras. For nighttime emergencies, the 500 lumen LED lighting system provides flashlight, SOS, white strobe, and red warning modes. A 3.3-inch smart display clearly shows battery and operating information, even in bright sunlight. Safety is another highlight, with 10 protection systems and V0 rated fireproof construction. With its compact design and comfortable handle, this jump starter is an excellent companion for daily driving, road trips, and unexpected emergencies. And our last choice is HiHa Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The HiHa 4-in-1 Portable Jump Starter is a compact and versatile emergency tool that combines a 4000 mAh battery booster, 150 psi air compressor, power bank, and LED flashlight in one convenient device. It can jumpstart most 12V vehicles, including cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and boats, supporting engines up to 8.0L gas and 7.0L diesel. The built-in 150 psi tire inflator features preset pressure, automatic shutoff, and an LCD display showing PSI, kPa, or bar. It can inflate a typical car tire in about 1 minute and includes 3 useful nozzles. For added convenience, USB-C and dual USB ports let you charge phones, tablets, and other devices while traveling. The 300 lumen LED flashlight offers 4 modes, including SOS for emergencies. Safety is another strong point, with 10-layer protection against reverse polarity, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, and sparks. Overall, the HiHa Jumpstarter is an excellent roadside companion for daily driving, road trips, and outdoor adventures. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.